Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Spring is finally here, and that means it's time to refresh our homes with a touch of seasonal beauty. And what better way to embrace the charm of spring than with a stunning table centerpiece? Whether you're hosting a brunch, celebrating Easter, or simply wanting to bring a breath of fresh air into your dining space, a gorgeous centerpiece can transform your table into a work of art. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 breathtaking spring table centerpiece ideas that you can easily recreate in your home. From fresh floral arrangements to charming rustic touches, these ideas will elevate your dining experience and impress your guests. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get inspired by these stunning table designs. Classic spring floral elegance. Nothing says spring like an abundance of fresh flowers. A simple yet sophisticated way to create a stunning centerpiece is by using a combination of tulips, peonies, and daffodils in soft pastel shades. Opt for a clear glass vase to let the natural beauty of the stem shine through, or choose a rustic ceramic pitcher for a touch of farmhouse charm. For an added touch of elegance, consider placing your floral arrangement on a decorative tray, surrounded by tea light candles and small accent pieces like moss balls or decorative eggs. This creates a layered look that feels effortless yet refined. The key here is to keep it fresh, light, and inviting, perfect for a spring brunch or Easter gathering. Rustic farmhouse charm. If you love a cozy and rustic aesthetic, this centerpiece idea is for you. Start with a wooden dough bowl or a vintage crate as your base. Fill it with an array of spring elements like faux greenery, wildflowers, and even small potted plants. For a true farmhouse feel, incorporate rustic elements like whitewashed lanterns, twine-wrapped mason jars, or antique candlesticks. To make it even more unique, consider adding small decorative bird nests, mini terracotta pots, or wooden bunnies for a seasonal touch. This style is all about warmth and charm, giving your table a welcoming and homey feel that's perfect for casual spring dinners. Chic minimalist vibes. Sometimes less is more. If you love a clean, modern look, a minimalist centerpiece can make just as big of an impact. Choose a long, narrow tray and place a few statement pieces, such as a row of white ceramic vases with a single bloom in each. Opt for delicate flowers like ranunculus, anemones, or hydrangeas in soft, muted tones for a contemporary yet timeless look. To keep it stylish and cohesive, stick to a neutral color palette with hints of gold or silver accents. A few tapered candles in sleek holders or scattered glass votives can add just the right amount of ambience without overwhelming the table. This is an effortless yet chic way to bring spring indoors with a touch of sophistication. If you're loving these ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video if you're feeling inspired, and leave me a comment down below telling me which centerpiece idea is your favorite. I love hearing from you, and your support means the world to me. Vibrant garden-inspired arrangement. Spring is the season of color, so why not embrace it fully? A vibrant, garden-inspired centerpiece can make your table feel like a blooming paradise. Use a combination of bright flowers like yellow daffodils, pink ranunculus, and purple lilacs, mixed with lush greenery and eucalyptus sprigs. Instead of a traditional vase, try using an unexpected container like a vintage watering can, a woven basket, or even a hollowed-out cabbage for a truly unique presentation. Scatter colorful Easter eggs or citrus fruits like lemons and oranges around the base for a fresh and festive touch. This centerpiece is full of energy and life, perfect for spring celebrations. Elegant candlelit glow. For a truly magical and romantic spring table, incorporate candlelight into your centerpiece design. Start with a long runner of fresh greenery, such as eucalyptus or ivy, cascading down the center of the table. Nestle a mix of pillar candles, votives, and tapered candles in between for a warm, glowing effect. To enhance the springtime feel, weave in delicate floral touches, small clusters of baby's breath, lavender sprigs, or cherry blossom branches. If you want a bit of shimmer, place a few gold or silver decorative accents throughout. This setup is perfect for intimate dinner parties, weddings, or even a cozy night in with family. And there you have it, 5 stunning spring table centerpiece ideas that you can easily recreate in your own home. Whether you love classic florals, rustic charm, or modern minimalism, there's a style here for everyone. These centerpiece ideas will not only elevate your table, but also create a beautiful ambience that makes every meal feel special. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite centerpiece idea. I'd love to hear how you plan to style your table this spring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.